Hey guys, it's Taylor. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. I hope that you enjoy your first time here. Today I am filming just a kind of fun fall video for you guys. I filmed a tutorial on this eye look that I did today. I did it entirely using the Jaclyn Hill palette from Morphe Cosmetics. You guys know all the drama about all of the Morphe stuff with Jaclyn Hill, but all that drama aside, I absolutely love that palette. I think it is great for fall, and so I really wanted to bring this look to you guys. I've been wearing it kind of non-stop for kind of the transitioning into fall season, so I'm really excited to bring this to you guys today. If you're interested in learning how to get this orange eye look, then please keep watching. Also, don't forget while you're here to go ahead and click the subscribe button down below and hit the little notification bell so you don't miss any of my new videos. And with that, let's get on into the tutorial. So to start off, you guys kind of know the drill. I'm taking my MAC 217 brush and the shades MFEO and Creamsicle, and I'm going to be placing that in my transition area all the way into the inner corner of my eye. So I'm starting out in the outside like normal and kind of fluffing it out there, and then I'm also bringing it all the way inward to the inner corner of my eye, kind of leaving that traditional space in the middle for the halo eye. Then I'm going to be taking the shades Roxanne and Hunts here. They're kind of a little bit deeper, a little more orangey and red tones. And I'm going to be taking those into my crease a little bit tighter, as well as on the inner and outer thirds of my eye, again leaving that center open for the halo eye. These are really great colors for the fall time. I love how they turn out together. It's just like a really rich, deep kind of brick color, but there's a lot of orange in it, which keeps it festive. So I really liked this combination and how it worked out. I'm just taking it on a Sigma brush. I will make sure to put all the brushes that I'm using down below. I'm just taking that there and applying it all over, making sure to really deepen it up where I want it to be a little bit darker. Here you'll see I'm also taking a little bit of the shade Jax, and I'm just kind of dotting that on the inner and outer thirds of my eye and then blending it out with the other colors. Next, using more of the shade Creamsicle, which happens to be my favorite shade in the palette, I am just going to go ahead and kind of blend out the edges of that. I really want the shade Creamsicle to come through as a really strong transition shade. I just love the way it looks, and so I'm putting some more of that on with my 217 brush from MAC. Then I'm going to take some of my concealer. I'm currently using the LA Girl Pro Conceal, so I put a little bit of that on the back of my hand and then carefully dotted just a little bit of it onto my eye with this Sigma brush here. It's just a really nice domed shape, which makes it a little bit easier to get this kind of halo eye. And then I'm just coming through with my brush, no more product on it at the moment, and kind of cleaning that up from, you know, where I want it to be a little bit darker, where maybe I got a little bit too much of the concealer, different things like that. Now taking the shade Beam, I love this one for a really good like cut crease or halo eye or something like that. I think it's really beautiful. I'm taking a little bit of that, spraying some Fix Plus on it on this tiny Sigma brush, and I'm just going to be applying that in the center of my lid. You guys know the drill with a halo eye, so I really don't need to explain that, but I just think that this shade looks particularly beautiful in something like this. It's so stunning, it's so like attention grabbing, it's bright, it's beautiful, so I really love using that one for things like this. Then I'm just going to be taking a little bit more of those shades that I used before to darken up my crease, and I'm just going to be adding a little bit more of those again on the inner and outer thirds of my eye, just to kind of blend everything out, cover up again any spots where maybe too much light has gotten into it, and making that really nice blend between the Beam shade and all of the nice orangey shades. And then, as I am never one to make the steps too easy on myself, I'm kind of going back and forth just to make the perfect blend of the different shades. So I kind of go back and forth, and I put more of the Beam on the center, and then I'll come back and put more of the crease shades until I get the perfect blend, the perfect saturation of everything. I want this to be really beautiful and really kind of stark. I want the contrast to be really great, so I kind of work that in there a few different times, and then I kind of put a little bit more of Beam on with my finger before applying this Stila Magnificent Metals little pot shadow. I've had these forever, but I absolutely love this color. I just think it's really nice. It has a lot of different sparkle in it, so I applied a little bit of that, and then I'm applying Beam again on top of it just to kind of even it out so it's not just glitter, but I think it adds just enough extra sparkle that it makes it really stunning. It really just grabs the light. Now I'm just going to be using some micellar water on a cotton pad to go ahead and clean up my eye look, because it does have quite a bit of fallout for something like this, so I'm just going in and cleaning that up. You guys know the drill. Then I'm going to go ahead and finish the rest of my face, and I will be right back. So the next thing that I want to focus on is a highlight for my brow bone. I'm using Laura Geller Gilded Honey. That's actually what I ended up using on my face as well. It's just such a beautiful, beautiful high shine gold. And so I really love using that for something like this look, especially I think it complements the shade Beam really well. I could have used Beam as my brow bone highlight, but just something about the Laura Geller one really caught my eye today. So I decided to go for that all over my face and on my brow bone. Then I am taking just some of the shades that I used before. Right now I'm taking MFEO Silk Cream and Creamsicle, and I'm using that on kind of a fluffier brush to go under my lower lash line. And then I'm going in with like Hunt's, Roxanne, Jack's, those different shades with a little bit of a tighter brush. So it's kind of going a little bit tighter on my lower lash line. So I'm just applying those there to kind of even everything out. Then I am ever so slightly just placing the tiniest little bit of the shade Beam in the center, kind of mimicking the halo eye up top, just placing a little bit of that in there to add a little bit of sparkle and lightness to the under eye there. Now I'm going in with some liquid liner. I believe this is the NYX one. I'll put the exact one in the description below, but I've been liking this one pretty well, so I'm going to go ahead and apply that as my liner, which miraculously I was able to do on camera. I was pretty proud of myself for that. I'm just doing a simple flick, really easy little wing. I'm not going too dramatic on it just because I don't want to take anything away from the halo eye or from like the drama of the look already. So I just went for kind of a simple one, and then I'm just going to apply some mascara after that and go ahead and put on my lashes. And with that, this orange and gold fall look is complete. I really love how it turned out. I love how stark Beam is over everything. I really love that. And the orange tones just scream fall to me. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this look as much as I did. So guys, that is it for this tutorial. I am so excited that fall weather is finally here. I'm honestly like so overjoyed about it. I have baked like pumpkin coffee cake, and yesterday I baked an apple and pear and cinnamon pie with my mom. It was, thanks email for interrupting me. But yeah, I am really enjoying getting into the fall spirit, and this eye look has definitely been one of the ways that I've been doing that. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this look. Like I said earlier, be sure to hit the subscribe button if you haven't already so you can be a part of our little family here. And then go ahead and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my new videos. I'm posting about once a week right now, so not gonna bother you too much, just a way to kind of keep up with my videos. If you too are so excited about fall, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, and I will bring lots more fall videos to you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!